Invisalign is an alternative to traditional orthodontics. A benefit of it is that it doesn't have metal brackets, and they're clear and they're easy to use, and patients love to use them. With Invisalign, you have multiple aligners. Sometimes it could be 10, sometimes it could be 20 aligners. Each aligner will sequentially move your teeth into the proper orientation, and from one aligner to the next, you'll have slight changes in your bite, and until we get the end result that we're looking for. If you're not happy with them, then we can always take another impression and we can set you up from the beginning and get you to the result that we want. So some of the benefits of clear aligners are that you can have them in your mouth and nobody can even tell that they're in. Another benefit is that you have less visits to the dentist. You're able to go more stretches without having to come in for checkup visits. You can also take them out, eat, and then put them back on when you're done. So here at Amazing Smiles, one of the main reasons we offer Invisalign is because we can use them for various things. Some of those things are, we can address relapse. If you had braces when you were a kid, you can have these aligners and correct you back to where you want to be. If you simply want cosmetic results, we can use Invisalign to get us to the right place and move the teeth where we want them in order to do any restorative work that you might need. If you're interested in Invisalign, set up a consultation here at Amazing Smiles and we'll see if Invisalign is right for you.